All right, if you're looking for the perfect, no-fuss meal for a night out under the stars, you have come to the right place. We're going to break down how to make these incredible honey garlic foil packets that you can cook right in your campfire. I mean, this just says it all, right? It's not just about the food, it's the whole experience. That smoky smell, the incredible sweet and savory flavors, and just the pure joy of cooking directly in the fire. You know the feeling. After a long day of hiking or just being outside, the last thing you want is a complicated meal. That's the why behind this whole thing. So let's get into the how. So what's the secret? Well, the hero of our story is the humble foil packet. It's the key to everything, a totally simple, no-mess solution for amazing food outdoors. Okay, so why are these things so great? First off, cleanup practically zero, which is a total game changer when you're camping. Second, all that amazing flavor gets locked right inside, steaming everything to perfection. And finally, it just delivers that essential, cozy campfire feel. It's the whole package. Next up, let's talk ingredients. And you're going to be happy to see this list is super straightforward. No need to pack a giant cooler for this one. Just some simple, hearty stuff for a meal that serves four. Here's our foundation. You've got the smoked sausage or chicken for that protein punch, and then the potatoes and carrots to make it really satisfying and hearty. The bell pepper adds a nice pop of color and a little sweetness. It's a really solid, well-balanced base. Okay, this is where the magic happens, the glaze that brings it all together. You've got the sweetness from the honey, that savory kick from the garlic, but the smoked paprika, that's the secret weapon. It really amps up that smoky flavor from the fire itself. It creates this amazing coating for every single ingredient. Now listen, if there's one thing you can't mess up, it's this. You absolutely need heavy-duty aluminum foil. Seriously, the regular stuff is just too thin. It's gonna tear on the coals, and you'll lose all that incredible sauce. Trust me on this one, it's the one piece of gear you have to get right. All right, with our ingredients ready, let's put these flavor packets together. This part is incredibly fast. And here's a pro tip. You can do this at home before you even leave, which makes things so much easier at the campsite. It really is this simple. First, toss everything, the sausage, the veggies, the glaze, into a big bowl and give it a good mix. Then you just divide that mixture evenly onto your big sheets of heavy-duty foil. Fold them up and seal the edges really tight. You want to trap all that steam and flavor inside. And now, for the best part, we're taking these simple packets and using the magic of the campfire to turn them into a smoky, delicious feast. This is what campfire cooking is all about. So, how do you cook them? You've got two great options here. If you have a grate, you can place the packets on top for a more gentle, even cook. But if you want to go full rustic and get a little char, you can place them right on the hot coals. Both ways are fantastic. And you're not going to be waiting long. We're talking about 20 to 30 minutes total. Just grab some tongs and remember to carefully flip the packets once about halfway through. That'll make sure everything inside cooks perfectly. So the big question, how do you know when it's done? The potatoes are your guide. Carefully, and I mean carefully, watch out for that steam. Open up a packet and poke a potato with a fork. If it slides in super easily with no resistance, you are good to go. Okay, the packets are off the fire, they're sizzling, and they smell absolutely incredible. Now let's talk about the final touches that take this great meal and make it truly unforgettable. Yeah, of course you do. This recipe is fantastic as is, but a few simple tweaks can customize it perfectly and make it your own. So here are a few pro tips. For a little brightness that cuts through all that richness, add a splash of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice at the end. To make it even heartier, throw in some chunks of corn or mushrooms. And for a deeper, more complex flavor, try using a darker honey, like buckwheat. And for the grand finale, once you open up those steaming packets, sprinkle on some fresh herbs like thyme or parsley. It adds this amazing burst of freshness. Oh, and an extra little drizzle of honey right before serving. That's the perfect finishing touch. And this just brings it all home. No plates needed. You just eat straight from the foil, and you have to have a piece of crusty bread to soak up all that incredible sauce at the bottom. It's simple, it's satisfying, and it is the perfect way to end an adventurous day. So the only question left is, where are you going to take this recipe? Whether it's a backyard fire pit or a remote campsite way out there, this meal is designed to fuel your next great memory.